Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we will learn and write 10 lines on my city. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First line is, my city name is Kolkata. Second line is, it is my city of birth. Third line is, my family and extended family lives here. Fourth line is, it is a fairly large city located on the banks of river Hooghly. Fifth line is, in my city, people are welcoming and friendly. Sixth line is, it is often called the cultural capital of India. Seventh line is, my city is known for grand Durga Puja celebration. Eighth line is, it is celebrated with great enthusiasm and elaborate decorations. Ninth line is, my city has a different vibe. Last line, that is line number 10 is, I love my beautiful city.